everyone, and welcome to the August issue of InSPAration Moments. Dori Sukup here. I am so excited to be broadcasting this newsletter out of the brand new studio that we just finished designing and building right here in our corporate office in beautiful Daytona Beach. You can expect to start seeing brand new shows being filmed here to help you and the industry as a whole. For this issue, we have prepared some great content for you. As you know, despite of everything that is going on in the world today, you can still have a great life. So I would like you to read or watch the featured article and discover 4 steps to designing a successful life. Make sure you read it or watch it. Also, make sure you check out the bright idea. If you are ready for a business transformation, it's time for enthusiastic change. We are introducing the new and improved member mastermind group program. We are introducing the Flying High business program. It's designed to help you succeed the fastest way possible. So make sure you check that out. Also, in the Dori Recommends, you will find out how to welcome change in the workplace. Sometimes team members and leaders find themselves fighting change, which will lead to no progress being made. So join us for the Recipes for Success webinar and see how you and your team can welcome and implement change that leads to success. Make sure you check it out. Also, the product of the month is all about marketing. It's marketing for success. If you are looking for new ways to improve your marketing, we invite you to tap into 6 hours of the latest and the most effective marketing strategies. They are available on demand now, so make sure you also look into that. And we have a lot of important dates for you to join us. For example, we are doing the book gathering with Dori. We're going through Think and Grow Rich right now by Napoleon Hill. We are on chapter number 12. We also have the Brewing Brilliance, which is our monthly mastermind meeting that we will be hosting for all members. If you're not a member, maybe you should go apply and check it out. And we also have Recipes for Success, which is all about welcoming change in the workplace. So we created a great newsletter for you. We would like you to read it or watch it, either way, whichever you like most. And then give us feedback or make sure you share it. We have so many great things in it. It will be a great thing to share with your entire team. So stay tuned for the featured article. And until then, stay inspired.